how to create counting number effect in CapCut. So if you want to create counting number effect in CapCut, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your CapCut application, go with a new project, and then select a project. I've just selected a blank project. Once you've selected, now what you need to do is you just need simply go with text, which is here on the bottom, go with add text, and here you need to enter the text, which is, I'll just simply go with 1, 2, 3, or 10, 20, 30, 40. So I've taken these numbers. Now once you've taken the numbers, you can just simply adjust it, and after that enlarge those. And once you've enlarged, you need to just go with bottom. First keep it on the bottom, and here you need to add some keyframe. So here if you swipe, then you may have an option of keyframes, or here you will have the option of keyframes. So you just need to simply tap on the keyframe. Once you've added the keyframe, now you can simply swipe up and again add another keyframe. Again swipe up. In the same way, you can just simply swipe till the last of your video. And once you swipe, now you can just simply play the video, and as you can see that you've created counting number effect in your CapCut. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.